Welcome, today in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So if you want to add or remove some icons from here or just to change their position, just click here to edit to this plus icon or to edit icon, and after that you can see all the visible icons in our notification panel, and here we have our 7 invisible. We can add them if you want. For example, hold the icon and drag it here to the up section. By this way we can add all of them if you want, but I'll add, for example, only 3 of those. If you want to just remove some icons from here, just by the same way, hold it and drag it to this down section. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. And to change the positions of the icons, just hold for a while and drag it by this way. So that's so simple, as you can see. And just to save the changes, click here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.